the separate swing indicator in the ICT style with confirmation, which is offered for various platforms on the TradingFinder site. From this section, you can download the indicator file for MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms and run it on the pulsar chart. Additionally, traders can refer to this page to understand how the indicator works and operates. We select the indicator file from the Navigator section and execute the indicator by dragging the file onto the chart. Just make sure to go to the Common section, enable the Allow DLL Imports option, HON, and then click the Confirm button. By placing the indicator on the chart, it begins to draw its own zigzag and identify separate swings on the price chart. The separate swing rate confirmation indicator is a practical and suitable tool for identifying separate swings on the price chart. Just a few points to consider: when running the indicator, your time frame will automatically change to a 1-minute time frame. And for confirming separate swings, you need to switch to a 1-minute time frame if you have changed your time frame. Here we see that a buy signal has been issued for us and a separate swing has been identified. The method of identifying and operating the indicator is based on price levels, strategic breakouts, and liquidity gathering, in such a way that during the New York session, 2 sets are drawn for us for a duration of 15 minutes. The first level is our lower level and again the upper level, which is drawn simultaneously and displayed for 15 minutes or in a 1-minute time frame as 15 candles. The lower level is drawn based on our major lower swing, and the upper level is also based on our major swing now. However, there are a few points you should consider here. The 2 yellow lines and our dotted line are based on our major lines, which are displayed in a 15-minute time frame. As you can see in this section, the levels are not drawn precisely because these levels are for the 15-minute time frame and are calculated in that time frame, but displayed on the 1-minute time frame at the start of the time. The lower level is displayed based on the lower swing, and the upper level is displayed based on the upper swing of the dotted line. However, if the price opens at the New York opening time and is either above or below our major level, the indicator automatically searches for a new level to break. In this case, the identified level is in this section, and it draws the level for us in this section. After that, it looks for the first breakout, whether upwards or downwards, to break these levels, and the first signal is issued for us. If it breaks from above, an upward signal is displayed, and if it breaks from below, a downward signal is shown. After that, the price looks for a CISD level breakout or change of character on the price chart to issue the second signal for us, which is opposite to the first signal. Here, the first signal was issued upwards, and after that, our signal was issued downwards in section 3 for identifying and sending a buy or sell signal. After the second signal is issued, the price waits for a pullback to the order block level or the FVG area, with the price returning to this area and breaking the level either downwards or upwards in the presence of an order block and FVG. After the downward break, a buy or sell signal is issued. Here, we see that a sell signal was issued for us on this candle, which confirmed the break on this candle. After that, we see that the price moved downwards, made a pullback upwards, and then continued its decline. In the settings section, in the input section, there are several options available for us. The first part contains the display settings, the theme or custom template settings of the indicator, which has 3 modes: the dark mode, which applies a dark template on the chart, and the light mode, which applies a light template on the chart. The template applied to my chart changes the color of the candles when the auto hide option is selected, turning bullish candles to light green and bearish candles to light red. In the next section, you can specify the settings related to displaying and calculating profit and loss, which is set to start the calculation at 9:30 a.m. New York time and end at 9:45 a.m., allowing a total of 15 minutes for this purpose. The last section pertains to when you want to backtest on the chart. In backtest mode, because the displayed time is based on GMT, to achieve a more accurate backtest, and for the indicator to perform better, you can specify your time range in this section based on GMT using seconds. By default, it is set to 7200 seconds. Here, I select the dark template and then click on the Confirm button. Well, here my template has changed to a dark color and the signals and various levels are displayed for me. Well, friends, we have reached the end of this indicator tutorial. We would be happy, if you share your comments and suggestions with us in the feedback section.